Presenting HP Victus gaming laptop in color Mica Silver. It comes with Windows 11 OS and weighs only 2.48 kilograms. Powered by AMD Ryzen 7 processor, this HP laptop can handle anything thrown at it. The processor has 8 cores, 16 threads and 16 megabytes of cache memory. All these combined with a 4.4 GHz max boost facilitate smooth multitasking. The laptop runs on Windows 11 Home Edition operating system and comes with Office Home and Student 2021. With 16 GB of DDR4 RAM, the HP laptop allows excellent multitasking without any load. The RAM is further expandable to up to 32 GB. Combined with NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 laptop GPU with 6 GB of GDDR6 VRAM offers an exceptional gaming experience. The HP laptop comes with 512 GB of SSD storage that offers good space to store your important files and gives fast performance. The laptop draws power from a 70 Wh lithium-ion battery that gives decent battery life. It also supports fast charge that pumps up to the battery 50% in just 30 minutes. The 16.1 inches Full HD IPS display gives this laptop a vast screen area for an immersive viewing experience for work and play. The Micro Edge screen has a resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels. It is a 144Hz screen that also has low blue light features for better eye comfort. There is an HP dual speaker setup powered by Bang & Olufsen to deliver loud, clear and immersive audio. For gamers, the laptop brings an enhanced cooling system that has a 4 heat pipes design and contains 5-way airflow. The laptop sports Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity and comes with 1 super speed USB Type-C port, 3 super speed USB Type-A ports, 1 HDMI 2.0 port. The box contains the laptop, power adapter and user manuals. This laptop comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.